Hello friends. So in last lecture we have seen first example of differential staining, that is gram staining. Now let us go for the second example of the differential staining, and it is acid fast staining. What is acid fast staining? Why it is divided as a differential staining, and where is the use of this staining procedure? Now here acid fast staining. Here the purpose of acid fast staining is, there are, in case of gram staining, when we perform gram staining, we can divide organism as gram positive and gram negative. Generally, all bacteria except few example, we can differentiate organism or we can stain organism by gram staining. But there are three different a group of organism from the genus Mycobacterium. What is special in this bacteria? Here, in case of this Mycobacterium genus, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and another is Mycobacterium leprae, and a third group is Nocardia. Now what happens in this bacteria? These bacteria cannot respond normal gram staining. So how we can identify this organism? Because gram staining is the first step of the identification of each bacterium. Now for identification of a special group of organisms, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium leprae and Nocardia, they cannot get stained by normal gram staining. Why they cannot stain? Here these bacteria consist of complex waxy lipid in their cell wall. Waxy lipid is in their cell wall. Their cell wall is waxy, oily, and because of that, by normal gram staining, we cannot able to stain this bacteria. This waxy lipid consists of myconic acid. Because of large amount of this large percentage of waxy lipids in their cell wall, they are oily from their external side, and because of that we cannot apply aqueous stain or we cannot perform gram staining. For that reason we require a second method, and that method is called as acid fast staining. So acid fast staining is specially used for the identification of genus Mycobacteria. One example is Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which causes TB, or another is Mycobacterium leprae, which causes leprosy, and third group is Nocardia. For the identification of these organisms, a staining used is called as acid fast staining. After acid fast staining, organisms are divided as acid fast bacteria. Those which are observed as a dark pink color, they are called as acid fast bacteria, and which are observed as a blue or green, they are called as non-acid fast. And that's why this staining procedure is called as differential staining, because it differentiates organism as acid fast and non-acid fast. These bacteria, this special group of organisms which have waxy cell wall, they observed as a dark pink and divided as acid fast bacteria, and another all bacteria after acid fast staining get the color of counter stain, that may be observed as a blue or green, and they are called as non-acid fast. Now why it is called as acid fast staining, and who discovered this staining procedure? Here acid fast staining was discovered in 1882 while studying the diagnosis of tuberculosis. A scientist, Zill and Nelson, Friedrich Nelson, discovered this method, and that's why, to honor these two persons, the name of method is Zill. The stain used for this method, acid fasting, is ZnCl, Zill Nelson carbofuchsin. Now what is this special staining method, acid fast staining method? Here in this staining, in case of that special Mycobacteria, because of their waxy lipid, in this staining procedure, stains are specially stained by using a altered method. There is use of high temperature or steam for the staining. Due to the steam temperature, that waxy lipids allow stain to enter into the cell, and once they get stained, once these acid fast bacteria get stained by ZnCl stain, they cannot easily lose their stain. They cannot easily decolorize even by strong decolorizing agent. In this procedure, a decolorizing agent used is acid and alcohol, which is a strong decolorizing agent. And as you know, in case of gram staining, the decolorizing agent is ethyl alcohol. In this case, in acid fast staining, decolorizing agent is 95% ethyl alcohol along with the 3% normal HCl, and combination of concentrated HCl and combination of HCl and alcohol make it very strong. And even though by applying such a strong decolorizing agent, once acid fast bacteria take the color of zinc ZnCl, they do not lose their color, and that's why the procedure is called as acid fast staining. Now let us see what is the procedure behind the acid fast staining. Normally this staining procedure is used for the diagnosis of tubercle bacilli, which causes TB, and all you know, tubercle bacilli can be identified by taking the samples from throat. So swab samples, throat swabs are used. Prepare the smear of throat swab as usual. Suppose you have a patient having suspected patient from the tuberculosis, take the throat swab and prepare the smear of the throat swab. Allow to heat fix that smear as usual, and then apply the first step of the procedure, and it is Ziehl-Neelsen carbolfuchsin. It is the phenolic stain. It is prepared by using carbolfuchsin, a basic dye, with ethanol and HCl. So this is the carbolic stain, phenolic stain. Apply ZnCl for 5 minutes. Now here a special method is used for applying staining, and here the method is hold your slide on the steam. You just keep your slide on the boiling water bath and then add the stain and keep it in that steam for about 5 minutes. So 5-minute treatment at the steam temperature, that is the method. After that, wash the slide. And what will happen, because of the stain, because of the steam, your waxy lipids may get melt, and this ZnCl, which is the phenolic stain, enters into the cell, which are acid fast bacteria. If they are present in the sputum, that stain enters into the cell. At the same time, this phenolic stain is it has more solubility towards the phenol. This phenol is more soluble in that wax, so they can easily stain, they can easily enter into the cell. So that is the first step. During the second step, apply 95% alcohol and 97% alcohol and 3% concentrated HCl as a decolorizing agent. So apply decolorizing agent for 1 minute. Again wash the slide, and then finally apply methylene blue as a counter stain, or you can apply malachite green as a counter stain. Malachite green as a counter stain again for 1 minute. After 1 minute, wash the slide and apply. Observe under the 100x oiling machine objective. When you observe the slide, you will get 2 types of bacteria. Some bacteria will be observed as a dark pink color. This dark pink colored bacteria you may name as acid fast bacteria, and some bacteria will take the color of methylene blue. If you have used methylene blue, you will get blue colored bacteria. If you have used malachite green, you will get the blue or green bacteria. So blue and green bacteria indicate the non-acid fast bacteria. Now, why such a differentiation? That was explained by mechanism of acid fast staining. Now, what is the mechanism? Mechanism is shortly titled as relative solubility theory. Now, what is this relative solubility theory? As you know, this acid fast bacteria, suppose this is acid fast bacteria, consider it is the Mycobacterium. Then it consists of waxy lipids, mycolic acids in their cell wall, and as I told, your ZnCf, the ZnCf is the phenolic stain. The ZnCf consists of carbolfuchsin as a basic dye, phenol as well as alcohol. So it is a phenolic stain, and this phenolic stain has more affinity towards the mycolic acid, which is present in the cell wall of acid fast bacteria. They have more solubility towards the mycolic acid. They can easily enter into the acid fast bacteria and give the pink color. At the same time, you are applying steam. Because of the steam, this wax get melt, and that ZnCl can easily enter into the acid fast bacteria. At the same time, during first step, these non-acid fast bacteria also take the color of ZnCl. Now what happens during the second step? You are applying strong acid alcohol as a decolorizing agent. Now when when you apply this strong acid alcohol as a decolorizing agent, your non-acid fast bacteria becomes colorless. But what happens in acid fast bacteria? Acid fast bacteria, once they get stained, as phenolic stain has more affinity towards alcohol, they retain in the stain. Your alcohol cannot decolorize this acid fast bacteria because phenolic stain has more affinity towards mycolic acid than that of your alcohol. It is more soluble. Phenolic ZnCF is more soluble in mycolic acid than that of our acid alcohol as a decolorizing agent. So once phenolic stain enters into the cell, it gets trapped and your cell remains pink even after the decolorization. So pink cells are called as acid fast and these green or blue cells are called as non-acid fast bacteria. So that is the simple mechanism behind the acid fast staining, and it is this staining is an example for the diagnosis of tubercle bacteria. Suppose when you observe the sputum of tubercle patient, TB patient, then you will get the pink colored rods. If pink colored rods are present, you can say that Mycobacteria tubercle acid fast bacteria are present in the sample. So that is about the acid fast staining. So stay tuned for the next point of the staining procedure. Thank you.